Hello and welcome to GoPro Handyman on Disability TV Media Network. Today on GoPro Handyman we're going to be glazing a window. You can see these old style windows I have in this shed. The one in the back towards the alley is missing a couple of panes. We're going to replace them, take out part of an old pane and replace them. So yeah, thanks for watching. And I tilted the camera down a little bit more this time so maybe you can see what I'm doing in front of me. So I got my ladder set up. So as you can see, missing a couple panes here. I've already cleaned this pane out to put the fresh glass in. We're going to take this old piece of glass out, take the glazing out. All this loose glazing is going to come out. We're going to glaze what we can. I can't really get up in underneath here to glaze. What you need for the job is a 5-in-1. This has a tapered edge on it so that you can cut the glazing once you put the new glazing in. Need some glazing points that push in and hold the glass, and some glazing compound 33. So I'm going to scrape this old glazing out and get this piece of broken glass out of here. And I went to the home improvement store and got 2 pieces of glass. I'm just going to set that inside. Got 2 pieces of glass that I think will fit in here. One might be a little too small, but right now the back order on windows is like 2 or 3 months. I'd like to put a new window. I'd like to redo this whole shed and make it my headquarters for my technology company. But for now, we're just going to repair this window and call it fixed for now. So I have the money to put into this building. Could be a campaign headquarters too. So we'll put our pieces of glass in, and we'll scrape this old glazing on the existing panes. You can see this one's broken too, but I'm not going to replace that today. So I'm going to put pane number 1 in. I'm going to clean this up just a little bit more so that the glass sits flush to this little recess. So I have these little glazing points. I'm going to set them in here. See, this is what they look like. They look like that. They push right into the wood right there. Hold the glass in place like that. So I'm gonna get 1 piece of glass. And you measure, give yourself like a 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch the whole way around, so that it fits for variation. You see my piece of glass fits in there. Now the tricky part, getting these, especially when it's at the angle that it's at, because it won't close all the way. So I started one. I'm going to push it the rest of the way in with my 5-in-1. Push that down. See if we can get one going up high here. And there's not much to bite into there, so we'll try the side. And we get a bite there, so the glass will stay on its own there now. It'd be good to get more in before you really let go of the glass. So I'm pushing it against the glass, holding it tight, and starting it in. Then I come back with my 5-in-1, sink it down in. And once you can use 2 hands, you can just do it all at once. And this window is so rotted that the top mullion bar isn't gonna hold it in. So we have to rely on the sides to hold the pane of glass in. And your glazing will cover these. So that's in pretty good. Put one more in the side. Now we'll see if this second piece of glass fits. I think it's going to be a little small. Then we'll scrape all the loose glazing out and glaze everything all at once. See how this fits. Fits pretty good. There's no heat or air conditioning out in this shed, so not like the main house where you'd want it to seal real well. Trying to slide this over a little bit. It's kind of a little crooked. But we're gonna live with it. The bottom's flared out a little bit. Okay, that's staying pretty good by itself now. And the ones I took out of here, the glazing points, they used to just be triangles, which would be a lot tougher to push in to the into the wood.